Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of Foodie Zest. Today it's Diwali special sweet dish, it's Carrot-coco. This is my own recipe. Let's check into the ingredients. We need 2 cups of grated carrot, 1 cup desiccated coconut, 200 ml of condensed milk, 1.5 tablespoon ghee and 1 tablespoon sugar. Now let's see how to make it. Let's heat a pan on medium flame and add around 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. Now let's add the grated carrot. If you don't have a grater, you can very well pulse the carrot in a mixer or blender. Cook the carrot until the color changes slightly. Once the color changes, let's add sugar. I have added around 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you want more or less, you can add accordingly. Once the sugar has melted, I'm adding the condensed milk. I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Mix it well. And let's cover and cook it for around 20 minutes. Keep stirring it in between. After 20 minutes, it's all done. Let's switch off the flame and allow it to cool for some time. Now into the same pan, let's add 200 ml of condensed milk and the desiccated coconut and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we can switch on the flame on medium and keep stirring it until the mixture comes out easily from the pan. Now we can see it's not sticking to the pan, so switch off the flame. Let's take it out and allow it to cool for some time. Once the carrot and the coconut mixture is cooled, let's take a foil and spread the carrot mixture onto it. And with the help of our hands, let's shape it into a rectangle. Now fold the foil and with the help of a rolling pin, just press it down to spread the mixture evenly. Now we have got the carrot layer. Once it's done, let's add the coconut mixture on top of the carrot layer. Fold the foil again and do the same thing to spread the layer evenly. Make sure we get both the layers evenly spread. Once it's done, let's roll them tightly, just as we do for Swiss rolls. Make sure it's tight, as we won't be able to cut it properly. Now I have rolled them. I will keep it in the fridge for around 2.5 hours. Now after 2.5 hours, I have removed it from the fridge. Now let's open it. Now let's cut them into small rolls. You can see how beautiful it looks. The texture is so amazing and the taste is just delectable. Cut it slowly with a sharp knife, else you won't get the proper shape. This is my special Diwali gift to all my Foodie Zest family. I wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali. Have a great time and celebrate with your family and friends. Keep supporting me. Like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching Foodie Zest.